Hello student, welcome to Math and Science Clinic. Today we will discuss about what are chemical reaction, what are the different kinds of chemical reaction. So it is very important for class 10 students. So let's start. A chemical reaction is a process in which one or more reactant are converted into one or more products. So what are the reactant and what are the products? The substance in the left hand side of the chemical reaction are called reactant, and the substance that are on the right hand side of the reaction are called product. So a chemical reaction is balanced by an arrow. So an arrow is placed between the reactant and product. Here is an example of chemical reaction. Here magnesium plus oxygen combine to gives magnesium oxide. Here magnesium and oxygen are reactant and the magnesium oxide is the product. So it can be symbolically represented as Mg plus O2 gives MgO. So different kinds of chemical reaction are combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation reaction, and reduction reaction. Combination reaction. The reaction in which two or more reactants are combined to form a single product is called combination reaction. So suppose three reactants A, B, and C when combined gives a single product ABC. It is called a combination reaction. For example, when calcium oxide react with water gives calcium hydroxide as a single product with the release of heat. As the heat is released here, it is also called as an exothermic reaction. So the other example are when carbon react with oxygen gives carbon dioxide, when hydrogen is react with oxygen gives water. Decomposition reaction. It is just the opposite of the combination reaction. Here a single reactant is decomposed to gives two or more product. For example, if a single reactant ABC is decomposed, it can gives A, B, and C as three product. For example, when calcium carbonate is reacted, it gives calcium oxide and carbon dioxide as a two product. So as heat is absorbed here, so it is called as endothermic reaction. So a reaction in which heat is absorbed is called endothermic reaction. So the other example is when sodium chloride, that is the common salt, is decomposed, it gives sodium and chlorine. Displacement reaction. A reaction in which one part of a molecule is displaced or replaced by another is called a displacement reaction. So in this type of reaction, the more reacting substance displaces the less reactive compound. So here A displaces the place of BC, as a result SC is formed and B is removed from the compound. So example, when zinc is react with hydrochloric acid, it displaces the place of hydrogen, as a result zinc chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is released. So when magnesium is react with hydrochloric acid, magnesium displaces the hydrogen, as a result magnesium chloride is formed and hydrogen gas is released. Double displacement reaction. So here two reacting ionic compound exchange the corresponding ion, such as AB and CD when react with each other displace one another place. As a result Ac and Bt are formed. For example, when silver nitrate is react with sodium hydroxide, it gives silver chloride and sodium nitrate as product. Next, oxidation reaction. Any reaction whose involve addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation reaction. Addition of oxygen. When carbon is combined with oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide. As oxygen is added here, it is called as oxidation reaction. So removal of hydrogen. When hydrogen sulfide, that is H2S, react with bromine, it gives hydrogen bromide and sulfur. As hydrogen is removed from the H2S, it is also called as oxidation reaction. A reduction reaction. Any reaction involved in the removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen is called as reduction reaction. Removal of oxygen. For example, when ferric oxide is react with carbon monoxide, It gives iron and carbon dioxide. As oxygen is removed, then it is also called as reduction reaction. Addition of hydrogen. When hydrogen sulfide is react with chlorine, it gives hydrogen chloride and sulfur. As hydrogen is added with chlorine, it is also called as reduction reaction. Neutralization reaction. A reaction in which acid is reacted with base gives salt and water as a product is termed as neutralization reaction. As acid base neutralize each other, it is termed as neutralization reaction. So it is also an example of double displacement reaction. So here hydrochloric acid is an acid. When react with sodium hydroxide, which is a base, it gives sodium chloride, which is the common salt, and water H2O. So this is all about. So we can also learn about the oxidation reaction. The oxidation reaction commonly example of oxidation reaction is the rusting of iron is also an example of oxidation reaction, and a rancidity of a food when put for long time is also example of oxidation reaction. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and let me know about my video if you like it or not. So keep learning and stay blessed.